This is a 2012 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4.4-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, BMW Assist, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, xDrive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: the M Sport Package, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Texas Import Sales is located at 14807 Venture Drive in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.